So we just drew our blood from our patient. This is PRF, platelet-rich fibrin, and we're going to do 3 tubes today in the hopes that we get at least 2 cc's per vial of platelet-rich fibrin, hopefully even 3 if we're lucky or more. We're going to go ahead and counterbalance this and put 2 on this side, 1 on this side, and then we've got a counter all even. We're going to close this. We're going to spin it first on setting number 1, which is at a speed of 1100. We'll go ahead and spin it for 5 minutes. Right now we're doing scarlet. We're going to create some micro injuries and small channels of damage into the skin, into the scalp, so that we're going to receive the PRF injection immediately after. We are not using heat. This is microneedling without radio frequency. So there's going to be no damage to the hair follicle itself. For our patient, we drew the blood, we spun it in the centrifuge, and here's what we've got. We've got a nice amount of plasma. This is concentrated plasma that's been separated by the blood. This is going to, once injected into the scalp, cause the stem cells are going to cause tissue regeneration, new collagen production, and hair growth. So we're looking forward to seeing the results.